5 things that you should buy when visiting Latvia. Food. Scientists say that a human can go without food for 3 weeks, but in reality you will be hungry in 3 or 4 hours, so get something to eat, and otherwise it's not going to be pleasant. Anything that you take out of the store. It is illegal to take stuff in the store and leave without paying. You could get arrested for that and go to prison. If you do this in the small shop in the countryside, the grandmother behind the counter will make sure that first you go to the hospital and only then to the prison. Public transportation tickets. The public transportation is not free in Latvia, so you should buy a ticket. The people that control tickets are not joking around, and if you encounter them and don't have a ticket, well, this experience will probably make you think that your uncle touching you in inappropriate ways when you were 8 years old was not the worst experience in your life. Tickets to museums and events. If you don't have a ticket, they will just not let you in, and trust me, every museum and concert is better from inside than from outside. Amber jewelry and wooden crap with Latvian pagan signs on it. Well, it's not mandatory, but I mean, it's made for you, so if you don't buy it, what are we supposed to do with it?